All right, in question 5, it says determine f prime at x. Okay, so capital F prime at x. So what we're doing here is we're going to find the derivative of the antiderivative. And it tells us what the antiderivative is here. It's the definite integral from -1 to x of that function with respect to t. So what we're trying to do here is find the derivative of the antiderivative. Okay, and what we know is those are kind of inverse processes. And so all we have to do in this case is take that x and you plug it in for t here, as well as the t and the dt. Okay, so you got to think, if you were to antiderive this, you would get the antiderivative, and then if you took the derivative, you would go right back to the original equation, which is what you have right here. So this would become -5 over x minus 3 to the power of 3, and then times dx. Now what this really is, it's the derivative of x with respect to x. Now, where that comes from is really the chain rule. So if I look at this t and the dt, we do have some sort of inner function there, and the dt is the derivative of that inner function. Now, it doesn't matter what that -1 is down there, because if you find the antiderivative at -1, right, you would have capital F at x minus capital F at -1. So this would be the antiderivative here. Now, if you were going to take the derivative of this, notice that this is just a constant. And so when you take the derivative, it's basically gone, and you just need to take the derivative of this right here. All right, and so this one, the derivative of x with respect to x is just 1. And so we get -5 over x minus 3 to the third power. So you can type that in just like that.